Hi, this is Miss Todoric. This is just a quick reminder that not only teachers can inspire and influence their students, but so can students. So here's a great example. Message from a student buying Tillamook ice cream because another student's presentation influenced her. So it's really nice to see. I am so proud of Isabella with her PowerPoint presentation we had last week, and I look forward to our Tillamook ice cream party. When is it? Thursday, next week, Thursday, our last day. I bought it over the weekend. We have strawberry and cookies and cream. So I brought the big tubs, I got the cones, and we'll do some taste tests. It'll be the first time I'm eating that ice cream, and then soon I'm going to try out their cheese. I hope you guys do the same, and I can't wait to hear from our students.